how do I balance my personal life and teaching life? But I don't know if you would be amused if I tell you that I don't really have any other life aside this teaching life that I have. Um, Aside the classroom, my students, I don't really have much of a life. Okay, maybe I have spiritual life. Yes. Maybe we have spiritual life. We try to serve God and the rest. Yeah. But outside that, it's not because my life has been built on work. Just work. And again, being around students, at some point it started to dawn on me that the only friends you have that you interact with are just students. And very soon you might need these people that are there and the rest. Why don't you go out to make much friends? But it's not really my kind of thing. So I'm this person that I could speak, I could talk. So someone might see me and think he's an extrovert, but no, I'm way introvert. So I just love to be on my own, just be alone. So apart from teaching, I don't think I have another life. If I will say now, don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. My very good strategy as a teacher is getting my students to love me. Because I know that if I get them to love me, then they would try to pass my subject. Because if you love someone, you have to sacrifice. Love has to be sacrificed. So you don't want to hurt the person you love. So I do it more of me and them relationship than biology and them. So it is me and you. So I get you to fall in love with me and like what I do, and by so doing, you love what I do. And that's how it is. So and I don't joke with first impression. Every class I enter, the first time, I make sure that class never lose the impact for eternity. That 40 minutes or 30 minutes I spend in that class, I ensure that since it's the first day, I bring out my best. I do everything magical, everything spiritual, everything that they would like to, just to keep the class fun and the rest. That will make them want me to always come. And after I've gotten them that first day, then it's a roller coaster. So that's the secret I apply, and it has worked. And God gave the wisdom, and it worked. It worked.